The 2025 BMW X7 is a luxurious full-size SUV that combines bold design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance. It offers seating for up to 7 with standard second-row bench seats or an optional 6-seat configuration featuring premium captain's chairs. The interior is crafted with high-end materials, providing spacious comfort and advanced features like the latest iDrive infotainment system. Take your driving experience to the next level with the available Driving Assistance Professional Package, now enhanced with cutting-edge eye-activated lane change technology. This innovative feature allows for hands-free driving at speeds up to 85 miles per hour when conditions allow. When the system recommends a lane change, simply glance at the corresponding rear-view mirror to authorize the maneuver. No need to touch the turn signal. It's intuitive, seamless, and designed to make every drive smarter and more effortless than ever. You've put in the effort to reach this point. Now it's time to embrace the journey ahead. The 2025 BMW X7, a full-size SUV, combines opulent craftsmanship, cutting-edge engineering, and expansive interiors to deliver unparalleled driving comfort inside and out. Step into the most spacious BMW SUV ever built, designed to comfortably fit everyone. With standard 7-seat versatility, including second-row bench seats, or the optional 6-seat layout featuring luxurious captain's chairs, every journey becomes a first-class experience for all. The 2025 BMW X7 lineup offers thrilling performance tailored to your driving style. The X7 xDrive 40i kicks things off with a robust 375 horsepower turbocharged inline 6-cylinder engine, while the M60i steps it up with a commanding 523 horsepower twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8. For those craving even more power, the Alpina XB7 delivers an exhilarating 630 horsepower version of the same V8. All models come equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive for seamless control. Every X7 rides on an adaptive air suspension, ensuring a smooth and dynamic drive. For added precision, optional rear axle steering and active anti-roll bars are available, minimizing body roll in corners for a more agile experience. These features come standard on the M60i, which also boasts a sport-tuned suspension for those who crave a more spirited ride. Whether you prioritize luxury, performance, or both, the X7 delivers in every way. The 2025 BMW X7 offers thrilling performance, accelerating from 0 to 100 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds. This impressive capability ensures a dynamic and exhilarating driving experience, blending power and precision seamlessly. Whether you're navigating city streets or open highways, the X7 delivers a ride that's as exciting as it is refined. The 2025 BMW X7 strikes a perfect balance between power and efficiency, making it surprisingly economical for its class. With advanced engine technology, lightweight materials, and optional hybrid capabilities, it delivers impressive fuel efficiency without compromising performance. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the X7 ensures you go farther with fewer stops at the pump. It's luxury that's as smart as it is sustainable. While the 2025 X7 hasn't undergone crash testing yet, it comes packed with an impressive array of standard safety features, such as blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control to keep you confident on the road. When it comes to family-friendly functionality, the X7 shines with 2 full sets of latch connectors in the second-row outboard seats and 2 more in the third row, making child seat installation a breeze. If you opt for the second-row bench seat, you'll also find a tether anchor for the middle seat, ensuring every little passenger is secure and snug. 2024 versus 2025 BMW X7. What's new? Wondering what's changed. The 2024 and 2025 X7 models are nearly identical, with no major updates for the latest year. Compare the 2024 and 2025 X7. Here's a quick look at the X7's evolution over the past few years. 2025. No significant changes. 2024. Highway Assistant, a partially automated driving system, was added to the available features list. 2023. Refreshed exterior styling, more standard and optional features, and a boost in horsepower for both base and Alpina models. 2022. Dynamic handling package discontinued for the base model, and wireless device charging was removed across the lineup. 2021. The high-performance Alpina XB7 debuted, the X-Drive 50i trim was discontinued, and Android Auto, heated front seats, and remote start became standard. If you're considering a pre-owned X7, don't miss our detailed reviews of the 2022 X7, 2023 X7, and 2024 X7 to help guide your decision. Plus, explore our Best New Car Deals and Best New Car Lease Deals pages to uncover exclusive savings and discounts on new vehicles.